Hello student, today we start exercise 3.3 chapter 3rd understanding quadrilateral class 8th sum number 1, 2, 3. Sum number 1 is on your screen. Given ABCD is parallelogram, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. AD AD is equals to BC. Reason? Because opposite sides are equal. Angle DCB equals to angle DAB. Reason? Because opposite angles are equal. OC equals to OA because diagonals bisect each other. Measures of angle DAB plus CDA. Sum of these two angles is equals to 180 because lines are parallel intersected by a transversal and these are co-interior or supplementary angles equals to 180. Reason? Supplementary angles. Sum 2 part 1. Here ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to find X, Y and Z. Given ABCD is a parallelogram in which we know that opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are equal. You have to make the figure always at the right side of the page, given at the left hand side. Then to find angle X, angle Y, angle Z. Solution: angle Y is equals to 100 because opposite angles are equal. Angle Y plus Z equals to 180. Reason? Supplementary angles. Y same, Y 100, Z same equals to 180. Then Z is equals to, after solving, becomes 80. That's why angle Z is equals to angle X, 80. Reason? Opposite angles are equal. At last you have to write your answer. X equals to Z equals to 80 and Y is equals to 100. That is your required answer. Part 2nd of sum number 2. Here this figure is also a parallelogram. Let give its name LION. Here we goes anti-clockwise. Given lion is parallelogram, symbol of parallelogram. To find X, Y, Z. Solution: these two lines are parallel Then x plus 50 is equals to 180. Reason, co-interior angles. X is equals to 130. Angle x equals to angle y 130. Reason, opposite angles are equal of parallelogram. Student, when you will do the sums of the exercises, you should know what are parallel, what are equals, how many angles whose opposite angles are equal. That's why first you will do properties. After it, angle x is equals to angle z. What type of these angle? These are corresponding angle. Give reason. Hence, answer is angle x equals to 130, angle z also 130, and angle y is also 130 degree is your answer. Next, sum number 2, part 3rd. Here it is a figure. Let we give its name PQRS. Clockwise. It is parallelogram. PQRS is parallelogram. To find x, y, z. Solution. PQRS is parallelogram. Angle x equals to 90. Reason, opposite angles are equal. X plus y plus 30. See, triangle. Angle x plus y plus 30 equals to 180. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Put the value of x 90, y same, plus 30 equals to 180. 120 plus y equals to 180. 120 comes to right hand side. Angle y is of 60 degree. Next, angle y is equals to angle z equals to 60 degree. Reason, alternate interior angle. Lines are parallel, transversal. Z and y both are alternate interior angles. Hence, answer x 90, y 60, z 60 degree. Sum number 2, part 4th is on your screen. Here it is also a parallelogram. Let I am taking its name PUJA. Given PUJA is a parallelogram. To find x, y, z. Solution. Angle y equals to 180. Reason, opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Next, angle x plus 80 equals to 180. Reason, co-interior angles. These two lines are parallel, transversal, angle made by two interior angle of same side of transversal, sum is 180, called co-interior angles, which we already discussed in parallel lines property. X equals to 100 degree. Angle Z equals to 80. Reason? Corresponding angle. At last we will write the answer. X 100, Y 80 degree, Z 80 degree is your required answer. Next we comes to part 5th, that is also a parallelogram. Let me take its name. DEAR. You can use other name also on the behalf of your choice. Student, जो mind है बहुत बड़ा होता है, that's why we have to use it. I am taking here name DEAR. You can take another name also. Given DEAR is parallelogram. To find X, Y, Z. Solution. Angle Y will be equal to 112 degree. Reason? Opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. Next, in the triangle RDA, angle Y we have 40 plus X is equals to 180 degree. In triangle RDA, angle Y plus 40 plus X equals to 180. Reason? Angle sum property of triangle. Angle Y 112 plus 40 plus X equals to 180. Add in the rough work area. It will comes 152. You student also mark a line at the right side of the page for rough work in the notebooks. Then X is equals to 180 minus 152. X is, subtract, that is 28. Here X is of 28 degree. Now angle X is equals to angle Z 28. Reason? Alternate interior angles. Lines are parallel to each other. This one is transversal. That's why both angles are equal because of alternate interior angles. Student, we can find also Z by another method. How? 40 plus Z plus 112 equals to 180. Reason? Co-interior angles. Here are so many methods to solve a particular type of question, but important thing is that it should be right in proper manner. Answer at last we will write in every question. X is 28 degree, Y is 112 and Z is 28 degree. Sum 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? If angle D plus B equals to 180 degree. Make figure. A, B, C, D. Angle D plus B 180 degree. It can be. But need not be, because if angle D 60, then angle B is also of 60 degree. 60 plus 60 makes 120. It only possible when angle D and angle B is of 90 degree. Part second. AB equals to DC. AB 8, DC 8 centimeter. AD is 4 centimeter. Here BC is given 4.4. But it is not possible, because we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Write down here. ABCD is not a parallelogram because we know that opposite sides are equal. Next, part third. Angle A 70 degree. Angle C 65. It is also not possible. It is also not possible because opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless everyone.